Hi, it's a terrific day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. This is March. I'm at our little oak woodland community. Down here we have a bunch of messy weeds. So this guy here, he's called a red-stemmed fillery. Little purple flower and a red stem. But today's plant is this guy. He kind of looks like a dandelion. He's called a Cretanweed or Cretanweed. Hedypnois cretica or Hedypnois rhagadioloides. He's called a Crete weed or a scaly hawkbit. He's a member of the Asteraceae or the sunflower family, and he's native to the Mediterranean, hence the name Cretan from Crete. He's found throughout all North America, but we mostly find him in California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. He likes to grow as a pretty common weed in your garden or open fields, disturbed areas, along roadsides and trails. And take a better look at this one here. Okay, here's probably the way you recognize him most. So he's a prostrate annual flowering herb, 4 to 5 inches tall, and his stems are low to the ground and very droopy. And there's super tiny, stiff hairs on his leaves here, a little bit bristly, and they contain a milky sap in the stems. And the reason you can tell this is not a dandelion, because dandelions don't have hairs. This guy is a cretan weed. His leaves here, let's see, we'll pull one off, a good one, here we go. His leaves here, they're a little green, maybe a little purplish. They're basal at the ground here. And up here, these guys, they're a little colline, or they grow up the stems. And they're oblong, lance-shaped. They're forked all the way to the tip here. The length is pretty variable. Sometimes these guys get about 7 inches long. And they get scattering of little stiff hairs on them along the margin there. See that? And also on the leaf. And the flowers here, I'm going to pull one off. There we go. So the flowers here, this guy blooms from March to May, sometimes through August if you get good summer rains. It's a solitary head on a little stem. Sometimes you get tiny little clusters too. He's super yellow. He's very full. He's got little forks at the end of his ray florets here. See that? Little forks at the end. And this guy has no disc flowers. He's only ray florets. And underneath, he's got these linear bracts or filaries, and they surround the flower head. And those guys also have little hairs on them too. And the fruit, this guy has no fruit on him today, but it's a single seed with pappus, which is that big fluffy dandelion looking hairy thing, and filaments that blow away in the wind. So we got a whole bunch of these guys. So they're kind of cute, but they are a weed. So if you want to pull them, that's okay with me. All right, there you go. Hope you like that video. Please click like, subscribe, all the rest. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.